everyday English words you must know to speak like a native English conversation. Practice learning English is not just about grammar or memorizing long lists of vocabulary. If you really want to sound natural, like a native speaker, you need to know the words people actually use every day in conversations. Native speakers rely on simple, common, and flexible words. These words may look small and ordinary, but they carry big power in communication. Without them, your speech may sound formal, unnatural, or even confusing. Today, let us explore some of the most important everyday English words you must know and practice using them in real conversations. 1. Hey. Hi, native speakers rarely say hello in casual conversations. Instead, they use hey or hi. These words make you sound friendly and approachable. Hey, how's it going? Hi, what's up? To yeah, nope, instead of always saying yes or no, natives often use yeah and nope in informal talk. They sound relaxed and natural. Do you want coffee? Yeah, sure. Did you finish the homework? Nope, not yet. 3. Cool. This is a magic word in English. It can mean good, nice, great, or simply show agreement. I got a new phone. Cool. We'll meet at 6. Cool. See you then. 4. Really, this small word adds emotion. It shows surprise, interest, or emphasis. I'm moving to Canada? Really? That's amazing. This pizza is really good. 5. Stuff. Things. Native speakers often avoid being too specific when talking casually. Instead of naming every item, they just say stuff or things. I have a lot of stuff to do today. She bought some things at the mall. 6. Sort of these phrases make your speech softer and more natural. They show approximation or hesitation. I'm kind of tired. It's sort of like a puzzle. 7. Gonna, wanna in everyday speech. Natives often shorten going to Ghana and want to wanna. I'm gonna watch a movie tonight. Do you want to grab lunch? 8. Right? This word is very versatile. It can mean agreement, confirmation, or just a way to check understanding. It's hot today, right? Oh, right? I forgot my keys. 9. Actually, this is a very common word used to correct information politely or introduce a fact. Do you like sushi? Actually, I love it. I thought you were from London. Actually, I'm from Manchester. 10. Anyway, this word helps natives change the topic or continue after a pause. Anyway, let's get back to the main point. So, anyway, what were you saying? Everyday conversation, example, Alex. Hey, what's up, Emma? Not much. I'm kind of tired, but I'm gonna meet some friends later. Alex. Cool. Where are you guys going? Emma. Probably just grab some food and stuff. Alex. Nice. Actually, I wanna join if that's okay. Emma. Yeah, sure. Anyway, we'll meet at 7, right? Alex, right? See you then. Notice how natural this sounds. Simple words, no complicated vocabulary, but it feels real, exactly like the way natives speak. How to practice: listen carefully, watch movies, YouTube, or podcasts, and notice these everyday words. Repeat aloud. Copy the tone and rhythm of native speakers. Use them daily. Replace formal textbook words with these common ones. Record yourself. Listen to your speech and Check if it sounds natural. Final thought: to speak like a native, you don't need thousands of difficult words. What you really need is the ability to use simple, everyday English words with confidence. Words like, yeah, cool, right, stuff, really. Anyway, will make your conversations smoother, more natural, and more authentic. Practice them daily, and soon your English will flow like a native speaker's.